When most developers hear Service Portal, they think it's just a UI layer. But behind the scenes, Service Portal is actually a powerful framework built with widgets, layouts, and server scripts. In the next 5 minutes, I will explain the architecture of Service Portal and will build a custom widget that fetches incidents from the server and displays them on the portal page. Service Portal is a modern front-end framework of ServiceNow that allows users to interact with the platform through a web-like interface. Instead of using backend forms, list, users can raise incidents, request services, search knowledge articles, track requests. So while administrators work in the backend UI, end users interact with ServiceNow through the user-friendly Service Portal. To understand Service Portal, it is important to understand its structure. Everything in Service Portal flows in this hierarchy: portal, pages, containers, rows, columns, and widgets. Portal, overall portal configuration. Pages, individual screens. Containers, rows, columns, layout structure. Widgets, functional components. Widgets are the core building blocks of Service Portal. What is a widget? Widgets are reusable components that display data or functionality on a portal page. Each widget contains three major layers: HTML template, which is the UI layout; client script, which contains the AngularJS logic in the browser; server script, which has the ServiceNow code that fetches the data. These three layers work together to create a dynamic portal experience. Now let's create a custom widget. We'll go to Service Portal, Widgets, and create a new widget. Let's create a widget that fetches the latest incidents from the server and displays them on the portal page. Let's rename it as Recent Incidents Widget. Let's click on Widget Editor. It opens the widget in an editor, which is easier to interact. Here we can see the server script block, client script block, HTML block, and CSS block. Let's first add the code in the server script block. This script runs on ServiceNow server. It retrieves the latest 5 incidents and stores them inside the data object, which is automatically sent to the client side. Now we'll write the HTML block. The HTML template uses AngularJS binding to display data written from the server. Here ngRepeat works as the for loop. It loops the data in the data.incidents array through the iterator inc. The client script runs inside the browser and can be used to manipulate data, handle events, or trigger additional actions. The C here stands for client controller. It is primarily used to access the widget's data and functionality. Now let's add the widget to the portal page. We'll go in Service Portal, Pages. Create a new page. Now we'll open this page in the designer. Now we'll add one container. We can add the containers based on how much rows we require. For now, I will add one single container. Now we'll drag our incidents widget inside this container. Now we can preview this.